Hey everybody, today we're in a GMC Sierra. We're going to be showing you how to install the ProClip Extra Strength mount number 213561. And just as a note, this mount also fits the Chevy Silverado of the same years. Before we get started, there are a couple things we want to mention. First of all, this mount does use a little bit of double-sided tape, which is this blue cover here. You will want to peel that blue cover off before you install the mount. And that tape is designed so that if you ever have to remove the mount, it's not going to leave any marks or residue behind. Second is always make sure you install your mount to the dashboard before you screw anything to the faceplate. So with that, we'll get started. This mount is going to attach in two different seams above the screen here. And the first is between these two soft pieces of the dash here. So this seam right at the top. The second seam is going to be between these two hard pieces just above the screen right here. So for the first seam, we're just going to line our mount up a little bit, and we're going to take the included gap opener and we're going to insert that into the seam just next to where we want to install the mount. So we just want to insert it enough so we get that seam opened up, and then we want to get this lip down into that seam. We're going to do it right next to the gap opener. There we go. Now you can pull the gap opener out. And because this is an extra strength mount, it is very snug. So this next part will require a little bit of force, but what you can do is just grab your coin tray here, put your palm on top, and press with enough force to get this to snap into that seam. There we go. Now that it's installed, you have a nice solid mounting platform for a custom ProClip device holder. We hope this video has helped. Have a great day.